Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another unboxing on the channel. Obviously, it's like most of my most of my content is going to be unboxing, but I'm going to say this is probably the last. This is a network streamer. I know I unbox other network streamers, but they all work perfectly, but there was some things that I didn't like about them. And the one before this one, it did everything that I needed. Only problem was, if you guys can see over there, it was smaller than everything I have over there, and it just didn't look, it didn't look right. So I just had to replace it. So I heard about this company, did my research on it. They usually make high-end products, but this is like it's like a three-piece. This is like one out of the three pieces because this is all I really need, which is just a network streamer. They have the amp that goes to this, that connects to this, and another thing that connects to it. But I didn't care much because this is all I really needed. So this is the AudioLab 6000N network player, and let's go ahead and open it